It's been 2 weeks since I worked on the truck, 2 weeks since I filmed, 2 weeks since I edited anything, 2 weeks since I uploaded anything. So I've been really busy. I've been out of town. You're gonna see some of that right now. I'm just gonna do. Nice little postal Jeep. Let's go for a ride. I immediately backed into a woman. Fucking Jeeps, man. The brakes are bad but doable. The steering is non-existent.
I've put in a new steering box and everything. It's just fucked forever.
This is my souvenir, a very naturally occurring glass ball. I could still do it. I could be a manatee right here. Do I look cool with my flip glasses? Great, how are you?
Not bad, not bad. Hold on 1 second, please.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great night.
You too, thanks a lot. Or open the goatsy, which I assume they're painting the span again. What's that noise? What's that noise? I don't have too much welding left to do over here. I gotta patch the hole for the seatbelt bracket that's rusted out. I gotta make this panel over here, do a bit of welding down there, and then finish this door, finish this hole in the door. I feel like I can breathe in here again. Although I've stirred up all the dust, so I'm probably exactly wrong about that. Okay, we got back up. Got back up. You're not gonna like this part. I got an air compressor. So now I have air for stuff. I have to cut out this hole, and I didn't want to cut out that hole with the grinder. I was like, well, I have all these air tools. I have a body saw. Really like my body saw, but it runs on air. And I've been kicking around buying an air compressor for months and months and months and months. I have this thing, this little bandsaw that for some reason I rescued it, I cleaned it all up, I took it apart and scrubbed it, I bought blades for it, and I just parked it in the corner and never used it. It cuts sheet metal like a hot knife through butter. It doesn't throw metal sparks everywhere, so I'm just gonna start cutting sheet metal on that thing. Here we go on the passenger side. Yeah, last time I struggled with it and you came over and wiggled it up. What the?
You got about half inch to go through. That was it.
I'll ship you a piece of my truck if we can get to. You hear all these guys? They're like, "Oh, 1 million subscribers." If we can get to 300 subscribers, I'll ship one person a piece of the truck, and a sticker that I'll have to make. Yeah. So, this piece will go to somebody. And this piece will go to somebody better. Subscriber number 300. 300 subscribers gets this beautiful piece of shit. And it's gonna be sharp, and it's gonna cut your hands. And I'm gonna give it to you with, some of this is Windrock, some of this is Coppinger Cove, some of this is Flatland. So some of the fun trails. So I hope you too can cut yourself on it in your garage. 300 subscribers. I'm gonna actually send that to someone.
Good.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Okay.
What was that noise?
It just seated on the sway bar mount.
Oh. Yeah, it just started to touch the bottom. Got machinery bushings of all these different sizes, like just washers with giant holes in them. I see trailer boxes, cargo boxes.
Might be in front of that aisle.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this looks less trailery by the moment. Okay, so we came here for trailer fenders, and I don't see any.
The world needs garbage bags.
That little thing. So I really only need like maybe 3/4 of it, you know what I mean? How much is that one?
The tall one, 74.
This gigantic one is only $74?
Got this guy. What thickness is that?
Ah, fuck!
Oh, fuck.
I was going for Here's Johnny. This week on Big City Off-Road, GA told me to quit being a pussy and pull my fuel filler out. I guess I've got to do it. So I'm going to remove the entire fuel filler assembly. First I'm going to try and slide it back like 1.5 inches, see what kind of distance I can make. If I can't get what I need over there, I'm going to pull it out completely. Then I know it's time to just re-engineer the fuel filler. Another one of those that the repair manual would just say, simply remove. It won't dip down and out over here. You'd think with this much slop, this damn thing would have enough slop to slot out some way, and it probably does.